LM741 pin configuration datasheet explanation. The LM741 comes in on 8 pin deep packages. Important note: the LM741 requires dual power supply, 12 voltage to 15 voltage. It does not work properly with signal supply system like 0 until 5 volt or 0 until 12 volt. Internal operation. The LM741 differential input stage compares voltage at the pin 2 and 3. High guidance amplification stage amplifies the voltage difference. Class AB output stage drive the output with limited current. Offset compensation network allows DC offset terminating. The output voltage depending on the difference between the two input voltage. Explanation of the timer circuit in the image. In this circuit, the LM741 is used as a voltage comparator, not as a linear amplifier. RC timing network. Comparator operation. Open input of the LM741 receives the capacitor voltage. The other input receives a fixed reference voltage. When the capacitor voltage exceeds the reference voltage, the LM741 output switches high. This behavior creates a daily or timing effect. Note: the LM741 is not a true comparator, so switching speed and noise immunity are limited. Relay drive stage. The output of the LM drives a 2N3904 NPN transistor through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. The transistor acts as a low side switch. A 12 volt relay is energized when the transistor turns on. 1N4007 diodes protected the transistor from inductive kickback. Acts as a flyback diode across the relay coil. Limitation of this design: for professional or industrial application, this circuit has several weaknesses. LM741 requires dual power supply, low slew rate, slow switching, no hysteresis, no sensitivity, not designed for relay driving or timing accuracy. This circuit is the best suited for educational only. Recommended modern alternative for better performance: LM348 signal supply op amp, LM393 comparator with open collector output, NE555 dedicated timing IC, microcontroller based solution for processing timing. Thank you for watching this video. My dear friend, please subscribe me and like me and comment for this video. Thank you.